Come back to this fence plant here.
I don't know. Don't really have one right now. We probably want to get up there pretty fast before so we can beat them to all the good cover.
Now what you do is you let them get ahead, let all the little ones get killed.
Yeah, that's what I like to do.
Let the front line get knocked
Watch it, watch it. Right there.
Give my grenade over. Oh my god. Baby! Off your head.
Tell me when nobody's coming. Am I good to move?
You get to move to where?
Right here.
I don't see them right there, so yeah. Got him, got him.
Got him?
Yep.
Yeah. Hey.
Hey, there's a guy right here. There's a guy right here.
Where?
Over on the right, you see that little piece of sheet metal right there?
Yeah.
He's gonna lean his head out. He's right behind there.
It's gonna hurt so bad if you do something.
I almost did. Yeah, I know. Yeah. Huh?
Everybody, you're 12. Yeah, there's two right there.
Right up there? Up there? Hey, it's the guy behind the wood pile. Guy behind the wood pile.
Hit. Hiss. We got him. Hey, watch your left.
Yeah. Huh? He just got hit. I don't know about anybody else. I don't see any. Ah. Is he dead? Oh, no. There he is right. This is gonna be great right here. Oh, holy crap. Guy behind the barrier. Hit.